Guys, I have good news for you all. It will interest you to know that Carbon Browser, a fast and decentralized Web3 browser, has been announced and will soon have the Pi Network blockchain protocol integrated into it. Following the conclusion of the collaboration, Carbon Browser will initiate the use of the Pi Software Development Kit, SDK, in order to include the Pi Coin, the Pi Platform, and the Pi Wallet within its existing multi-chain ecosystem. Carbon Browser distinguishes out from the competition thanks to its rapid surfing performance, private browsing options, powerful ad block technology, immersive Web3 framework, large rewards in its native coin, and other one-of-a-kind features. As a result of the arrangement, a substantial number of users will have access to the cutting-edge ecosystem that Pi Network provides. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Carbon Browser has revealed that it would include the Pi Network in one of its products. Specifically, the Carbon Web 3 browser made the announcement. Because of this integration, a flow is created between the Carbon Browser and the Pi SDK, which includes the Pi Wallet and the Pi Network platform as a whole. Carbon is a new generation of web browsers that was meant to facilitate web transactions, such as trading cryptocurrencies and preserving crypto assets, such as NFT. Carbon was developed by Google. The native BEP20 token for the Carbon browser is called CSIX, and it has a total supply of 1 billion tokens. The Carbon browser is equipped with a robust ad block mechanism and a privacy protection system. The company that is the parent organization behind the Carbon browser is known as Carbon X Labs. The Carbon token is going to be distributed via the launchpads TrustSwap, Bullperks, Pools, and Engine Starter, according to the intentions of Carbon X Laboratories. Pi Network is one of the cryptocurrency projects that supports mobile mining of its token, and it is one of the most talked about cryptocurrency projects. It is anticipated that it has attracted more than 34 million users to this point in time. Pi Network asserts that it is an open-source infrastructure for the Web3 community on which developers can construct decentralized applications, dApps. Internet browsers have provided users from all over the world with the ability to access the internet for more than a decade. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and Microsoft Edge are some of the browsers that fall within this category as the growth of the internet continues to expand and the transition to Web 3 continues. New sets of browsers are being released onto the market. These browsers are designed to safeguard the user's privacy and give earning opportunities for users. They include, among others, the Brave browser by Mozilla, the Beaker browser by MIT, the Crypto browser by Opera, the Puma browser, and the Osiris browser. The Carbon browser was developed by Carbon Labs. The Carbon browser was developed with a multi-chain functionality that enables it to connect to a number of decentralized applications, dApps, that were built on various blockchains. After being integrated with Pi Network, the Carbon browser, which is presently available on the Google Play Store and will soon be made available on iOS, may see a rise in the number of users it has access to, as well as the amount of exposure it receives. According to the Pi Core team, the Pi Network is currently in an important stage of the development of its enclosed mainnet, the final stages of transitioning to an open mainnet that is fully decentralized, access to the other blockchains, and the ability to enable Pi coins to trade with other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. From the beginning of its mainnet migration on August 3, 2022, Pi Network has been concentrating on several technical upgrades, such as a solution for KYC, the Pi platform, and the development of an ecosystem. Pi is at a pivotal juncture in enclosed mainnet development, in which Pi is able to focus on two key priorities: facilitating mass KYC and empowering ecosystem utilities building, the company said in its most recent statement. Both of these phases are necessary if we are going to achieve our goal of creating a functioning ecosystem in preparation for open mainnet. Because Pi Network has not yet finished the mainnet at this moment, it is essential to obtain the protocol technique from one of the coins that have already proactively put out the mainnet. When it finally makes its way into the market, this also indicates that the Pi will have a great value of its own and will reap enormous rewards. Pi Network is currently exceeding the predicted progress on the mainnet by itself, and the cycle is operating quite effectively. There is a rumor going around that mining might be discontinued once the mainnet is finished being built. Investors may have seen the public display of the value of the Pi coin on a select few cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Huobi, which offered the Pi cryptocurrency for trade on December 29, 2022. But the Pi network is still in the enclosed mainnet, which is a time in which trading Pi on an exchange is not permitted. Also, it has led to uncertainty among the members of the Pi network community, which in turn forced the Pi Core team to respond to the listings. The Pi Core team stated that all of these listings were carried out independently of the team, that they had not been approved, and that they were not in accordance with the policies of the network. The group is requesting that the cryptocurrency be removed from these exchanges, and they are advising users not to participate in any trading activities at this time. When the Pi network ultimately unveils its open mainnet to the general public, it is the only time that all its main activities will start. As of right now, the Pi coin can be viewed on the official website of Binance. In addition, the Pi IOU price is currently available on the exchange. However, it should be mentioned that Binance does not yet support trading of this coin because it is an IOU. That means that the price that you see displayed is an actual and true price, though you cannot trade it. The CEO of Binance explained that such a project with a large number of community members indicates that it has value, and Binance lists such a project because at the end of the day what matters to Binance is liquidity, which refers to the number of investors trading on the Binance exchange. Pi coin has been gaining traction on the market throughout the course of the year. It has such a large community that people mine a significant quantity of the Pi coin to keep it in circulation. As a result, there is a lot of excitement surrounding the Pi currency on the market. Perhaps in the not-too-distant future, when the mainnet of the Pi network is finally operational, we will be able to witness its listing on the Binance market. In addition to this, a large number of changes have been implemented within the Pi coin, ranging from KYC, and a large number of activities are currently taking place within the Pi network. As a result, we are all hoping and optimistic that the work is getting done and that the community is engaged in the open mainnet. It would appear that certain cryptocurrency exchanges would begin listing Pi coins as soon as the mainnet development is finished, due to the fact that we are unable to conduct any type of fundamental or technical analysis on a currency that is not listed anywhere. The listing of Pi coin on the Huobi exchange took place on December 29, 2022. In addition, the Wrapped Pi WPI utility token, which acts as a bridge between the Pi network and the BNB chain, has recently been listed on PancakeSwap and is being monitored by CoinMarketCap. Since the formal connection between the Pi network core team and the BNB chain has not yet been created, the Wrapped Pi is an unofficial token for the BNB chain that serves as an alternative to the original Pi coin. This token is known as the Wrapped Pi. The Pi network community has been left in a state of confusion as a result of these Pi listings due to the fact that the Pi network is still in its enclosed mainnet phase, which is a time in which the transaction of Pi through an exchange is not permitted. This has prompted the Pi team to respond to these listings. That's all for now. If you have any business proposals, kindly contact us on the Telegram or email in the description of this video. And don't forget to press the subscribe and notification bell to get updated whenever we upload new videos. Thank you and see you in the next one.